So before I just launch in to start working on the system, I want to go through an entire checklist. I want to make certain that I know exactly what the system is, how it was designed, how it was built, what the fixture quality is, what the transformers are built of, and how they're installed, so that I don't get in trouble, because once I touch the system and start working on it, I then own it. Some of the worst situations I've gotten involved in is where I try and band-aid a system back together and just get things going, and it just turns into a service call nightmare. Most of the systems that we go out and visit are really not done to our way of doing it. They're really not installed correctly. The fixtures aren't the quality that we want. A lot of time the wire isn't buried to the proper depth, or the fixture quality is just either outdated or not the quality that we would recommend. But we want to give the customer every opportunity to, if they could save money for the investment they had originally, that we want to really take advantage of that. So we go through a full checklist. It's about 15 to 20 different things we're going to look for on this system and give that diagnosis to the customer so they can make the best decision. Whether it's deciding to just not do lighting at all, to build out a brand new system, or to repair what we can repair without the warranties that we would typically put behind the systems.